what is the sum of the angles in a convex pentagon? So we know a theory which is S equals to n minus 2 times 180 degree. So here n is side. We know pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can write n means 5 minus 2 times 180 degree. So 5 minus 3 is a 3. 5 minus 2 is a 3 times 180 degree. It means 540 degree. This is our answer. So the right answer is number C, which is 540 degree. But another thing, we can easily find out the value. Look, this is one triangle and here is another triangle. Look, here is one triangle, here is second triangle and here is third triangle. We know each triangle has 180 degree, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So each triangle has 180 degree. So here is 3 triangle, 180 degree times 3, it means 540 degree. So this way also we can find out the value. Thank you.